Well, good morning. I hope you've enjoyed the above average warm temperatures we've had this weekend, but things are going to change as we move through this week. We're seeing that ridge and high pressure that brought our warm temperatures, our above average temperatures to the state, beginning to break down. As we take a look across the state, temperatures still above average for the early morning hours at this time of year in Montana, but things are changing as we move through the week. Right now on the radar, seeing a little bit of spotty shower activity over through the Lewistown area, up to, even through Havre, maybe down to the south of Bozeman there, but not much as far as rain banding is concerned. As we take a wider look at the country right now, seeing some fire danger in the central portions of the country, not much as far as rainfall is concerned, but actually as we go over to the west coast, we're seeing some pretty strong rain and thunderstorms even moving through California, down to Los Angeles, even San Diego, up to the northern portions of California. San Francisco is seeing some rain, so not normally the case there. You see we're completely dry, southeast completely dry, but the coast of California is getting a soak. But over the past 12 hours, the atmosphere has been preparing to change things this week, and the ridge is getting ready to break down. Still have a flow moving in from the southwest over the past 12 hours into this morning. A little bit of moisture made its way to the divide overnight, but not much made it over at all. As we move through today, though, we'll see cloud cover begin to build. Spotty rain showers possible across the state. As the atmosphere destabilizes, thunderstorm development also possible in pretty much all areas of the state. More areas could see thunderstorms depending on how fast this front moves through and how quick the instability raises across the state, of course. But between Helena and Bozeman, we could begin seeing some showers around 8:30 to 9 o'clock, but really the main bands of moisture are going to begin to move in during the overnight into the early morning hours. We'll see some snow begin to form around about the time we come on Daybreak tomorrow morning. Seeing some snow up around Great Falls around the early morning hours, around 3:30 to 4 o'clock tomorrow, maybe even into the Helena community around 4. When we get closer to Daybreak at around 6, we'll see those bands move through, pretty much completely transitioned over to snow by 9 to 10 a.m., if not earlier than that. But by afternoon, most of that should move out, leaving your skies fairly clear for your evening. Cloud cover pretty much gone for most areas in the northern portions of the state along the High Line, but over on the eastern sections of the state, not really the case. Glasgow, Jordan, Glendive going to be feeling that strong wind from the north. We've got a northerly flow there flowing straight down. Cloud cover going to be pretty substantial in the eastern areas of the state, but central and south area is going to be fairly clear. As we move into Wednesday around 2:30 to about 6 to 7 a.m. there, cloud cover remains pretty clear over the central areas of the state, but as we get ready to move through the day, we'll see some clouds move in, a little bit of scattered cloud activity there. Once again, instability possible today in quite a few areas across the state. Showers could pop up at plenty of times today, depending on how fast the front moves through and how fast instability raises. We're seeing some snow tomorrow as that front makes its way through. Helena and Great Falls could see a variety of conditions, including mixing snow and rain. Wednesday, we get a break, but Thursday, another chance for snow moves into the forecast.
I like the look of some rain and especially a little bit of snow in the forecast.
Yeah, definitely. We definitely need it for our fire season, and we're seeing possible 3 days this week, but the other days you get sun, so good to see.
Not too bad. Thanks a lot for that, Trey.
Yep.